See this. It says that vector A is 1, 2, and vector B is minus 3 and 5. On the grid, draw and label vector 2A means double of A. So, but a double of A means double of A vector, which would be 2, 4. So, I need to go 2 right and 4 up. So, let me take, like, for example, this is my starting point. So, 2 towards right and 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So this vector is called 2A double of A. Understood, everybody? Understood?
जी सर.
Then they say
Yes,
that
sir.
A minus B. On the grid, draw and label A minus B. So let's write A minus B. A minus B, it is equals to A vector is 1, 2, minus B vector is minus 3 and 5. Straight away, just simple minus 1 minus into minus 3 and 2 minus 5. So 1 plus 3 is 4 and 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So 4 towards right and 3 down. So let me take my this point as starting. So 1, 2, 3, 4 towards right and 1, 2, 3 down. So this is the point of ending. So let me join this bracket here. That's an arrow. And this vector is called as A minus B vector. Got it? Got it, everybody? Okay.
Yes, sir.
देखिए जी मेरा ख्याल से ये क्वेश्चन मैंने पहले भी करवाया था. They say that OABC is a trapezium with O to A and O to A, which is parallel to what? This line O to A is parallel to the line CB. All right. And then they say M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of CB. Okay. And N is the point on AB such that A to N ratio N to B is 1 ratio 2. So A to N is 1 and N to B is 2. It is 1 and that is 2. So that is 2/3 and that is 1/3. And according to this ratio, this is half and that is also half. This is given in the question. Now they say that O is the origin and O to A is P, O to C is Q, and C to B, it is 3 by 4 of P. C to B is what? 3 by 4 of P. So I can write here that C to B is 3 by 4 P. Now find O to B. So let's find out O to B. So beta O to B would be, that is your choice now, O to C plus C to B. Beta O to C is Q and C to B is given in the question 3 by 4 P. So that is the answer, Q plus 3 by 4 P. That is what O to B vector is. Now they want us to find out AB vector. So beta A to B vector would be A to O plus O to C plus C to B. Now pay attention. A to O would be negative P. O to C is plus Q. And C to B is 3 by 4 P. Now we can see that P and P can be added. So minus P plus 3 by 4 P plus Q. Now O-level students, if you have this question in paper 1, you have to compare the denominators. So here the denominator is 1. So I'm going to use some rough working. So minus 1P plus 3 by 4P. So the denominator is 1. So now the taking LCM, 1 4s are 4. Okay, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4P plus 3 into 1 is 3P. So that would be minus 1P by 4. So that would be minus 1 by 4P plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4P plus Q plus Q. रहमान समझ आइए बेटा.
जी सर.
minus 1 by 4p plus q. Okay. Now, beta, examiner is saying that find m to n vector. M to n vector. Beta, first of all, I need to find out mb. And according to the question, mb is half of cb. So, as we know that CB vector, it is given in the question that it is 3 by 4p, 3 by 4p. So divide by 2. So beta when division is it changes to multiplication, it is flipped. So that would be 3p divided by 8. So that would be the answer for MB. That would be the answer for
सर हमने फ्लिप
MB.
तो नहीं किया.
जी
फ्लिप नहीं किया.
किया है ना बेटा. डिवाइड बाय 2 था, मैंने 1 बाय 2 कर दिया ना उसको.
ओके सर, ओके.
Okay. So M to N is what? M to N would be MB plus BN. Agree? M to B is 3 by 8p. Okay, now stop. B to N is 2/3 of AB. So let's find out NB first and then we will replace it. So AB is already here. We have the AB. So AB is this much. So let's find out BA. So B to A would be the reverse of this one. So BN is how much? BN is 2/3 of AB. And AB is this much. So B to A would 2/3 of BA. So let me write BA first. 3 by 8p plus 2 by third. Okay, BA would be the reverse of AB. So that would be 1 by 4p plus q. So now open the brackets. So that would be 3 by 8p plus 2 ones are 2, 3 fours are 12p plus 2 by 3q. But a 2 by 12 is 1 by 6 and these two can be simplified. Right, अलीना? So इनकी simplification कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? We can simplify that. So m to n vector would be equals to 3 by 8p plus 1 by 6p plus 2 by 3q. We know that beta okay, we need the same denominator and 8 and 6. So let me write is 6 eights are 48. 6 threes are 18p plus 1 eights are 8p plus 2 by 3q. 18 plus 8 is how much? 26p divided by 48 plus 2 by 3q. But a half of 26 is 13 and that would be 13 divided by 24p plus 2 by 3q. That would be the answer for this question. Any problem so far, everybody?
नो सर.
Okay, then they say that O to A and MN are extended to meet at G. Beta O to A and M to N. Okay, so please pay attention. O to A is this line. If this line is extended and M to N line it is extended, they meet at G. Okay, what they are saying? Find the position vector of G in terms of P. Okay, so first of all, mera beta, can you see that all of you that Sarish and Alina, beta, this triangle and this triangle is mathematically similar. Can I say that? Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so beta, now please pay attention to this question first of all because I need AG vector and then the game is over. Because position vector of G means O to G. So I need AG, the little piece. So let me draw this triangle here first of all. These similar triangles here in order to understand this concept. All right, let me name them as it is A, G. This point is called N. This point is called B and that point is called M. All right, so this is M to B is, we have M to B already. M to B is 3p divided by 8. It is 3p divided by 8. Okay, B to N is 2/3 and 1/3. B to it is 2/3 and this is 1/3. So beta, you can see one thing, that the ratio between these two triangle is, it is 2:1. Got it? Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
No, sir.
बेटा सिमिलैरिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट सीखना है और सीखने के लिए you need to understand this thing, okay? As this line is parallel and this line is also parallel, ठीक है? And this 1/3 and 2/3, it is given in the question. You can see that A to N ratio N to B. This was given in the question. Right, Munib? Munib, ये पता चल गया कि the bigger triangle is double of the lower triangle. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
It's 2:3. हमें AG फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर हमने AG फाइंड आउट कर लिया तो हमें बहुत आसानी से पता चल जाएगा. So we know that this is 1 and that is 2 double. Got it? Got it? So we know that AG, it is equals to 1/3. Agree? And the corresponding side of AG is MB. MB is 2/3. Agree or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Arsh, Hamad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now CMB is given in the question. We found it 3p divided by 8 earlier. So let me raise MB here and let me write here 3p by 8. And now cross multiplication. Let's find out AG. So AG multiplied by 2 by 3 is equals to 3p divided by 8 multiplied by 1 by 3. But 2 by 3 will go there as 3 by 2. So AG is equals to 3p divided by 8 multiplied by 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 2. Can I cancel 3 and 3? So beta AG is equals to what? 3p divided by 16. 3p divided by 16. So Hamad, beta O to G vector would be O to G vector would be O to A plus AG, O to A plus AG, O to A is plus P, and A to G vector is 3p by 16. 3p by 16. Compare the denominators. So 16p plus 3p, that would be 19p divided by 16 would be the answer for this question. Any problem so far? Okay, so beta, all of you were joining, so that's the reason I started this question with few students. So let me link this question now again. Please pay attention. OABC is a trapezium with O to A is parallel to CB. Okay. So and these two lines are parallel, so that we understood this, that this is a parallelogram. M is the midpoint of CB. That is the reason beta मैंने C to M is half and M to B is half. Understood? Yes or no? Then they say that N is the point on AB such that A to N is one part and N to B is two parts. So automatically it is 1/3 and that is 2/3. Understood, everybody? Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then they say that O is the point, O is the origin, O to A is P, O to C is C, and C to B is 3/4P. ये question में हमें given था. Find in terms of P and or Q in its simplest form, OP. So beta, we know that O to B is what? O to B is O to C and C to B. Yes or no? Yes or no? So O to A, it is equals to O to C plus C to B. O to C is plus Q and C to B is given in the question, which is 3/4P. That was our answer for part one. Any problems so far in part one? Any problems so far? Beta, can you hear me?
No, sir.
Okay. Then they say find AB vector. Beta, Rahman, A to B vector would be A to O, agree? O to C and C to B. All of
Yes, sir.
we have everything already. But now A to O would be minus P, O to C would be plus Q, and C to B would be 3 by 4 P given in the question. But just arrange it because we have two P's here. So minus P plus 3 by 4Q. So O level students will get this question in non-calculator version paper. So minus P plus 3 by 4 is solved here. And we got here minus 1 by P minus 1 by 4P plus Q. So that was our answer for this question. Any problem so far, everybody, or not? Yes or no? Any problem so far? Rehan?
Yes, sir.
Rehan? Any problem?
No, sir.
ओके बेटा फिर एग्जामिनर ने कहा कि एम एन फाइंड करो. अब डायग्राम में देखो एम टू एन के लिए आई नीड एम बी एंड बी एन. एग्री और नॉट? एग्री और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
एंड यू कैन सी दैट एम टू बी इज हाफ ऑफ सी बी. सो दैट इज द रीजन मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है सी बी डिवाइडेड बाई 2. अंडरस्टूड? So 3 by 4p multiplied by 1 by 2. So that would be 3p divided by 8. Understood? Any problem so far?
No, sir.
So मैंने बेटा यहाँ पे लिख दिया है कि that m to n is mb plus bn. Okay, I know that bn is what? bn is 2/3 of ba. Yes or no? Yes or no? And
Yes,
look
sir.
at
Yes,
the
sir.
look at the part B. Look at the part B. AB is minus 1 by 4 plus Q. तो बेटा BA would be 1 by 4P plus Q. Oh, यहाँ पे गलती हो गई हमसे. Everybody, we have a mistake here. That's the mistake area. Wait a minute, yaar. Pay attention, everybody. What is the mistake? And let me tell you. Beta, B to A vector is the reverse of AB. Got it? So reverse of AB would be 1 by 4P minus Q. ये गलती हो गया हमसे. Agree? Any problem so far?
No, sir.
So we have to fix this mistake. 3 by 8P plus 2 by 12P minus 2 by 3Q. So 3 by 8P plus 2 by 12 मतलब 1 by 6. 1 by 6P minus 2 by 3Q. ओके यहाँ पे क्या आया था बेटा? 3/8 plus 1/6 क्या आया था बेटा? जरा बता दें. 3/8 plus 1/6.
48 denominator था.
ओके. 6
और
3s are
ऊपर
18 plus 8 is 26 था. 13 by
28 48
13 by 24 था.
yes, sir.
ओके 13 by 24 तो ये हमारा आंसर है. 13 divided by 24p minus 2 by 3q. Okay, that is the value of m to n vector. Okay. Then the examiner is saying what O to A is extended to M to N. ठीक है? M to N is also extended. So then they say that find out the position vector of G in terms of P. So position vector of G in terms of V. So then we extracted this green triangles outside here. And we have the answer for MB, and I know that MB and AG, they both are corresponding sides. Agree? And we have the ratio 2:1 in this triangle. Agree or not? So I wrote a condition here, Harsh, that A to G, it is 1/3. Agree? And M to B, it is 2/3. So crossfire and get the result for AG. So that is the N19P by 16. Understood, Hamad? Understood, Hamad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question 11. It is 9m, 40m, bracket close, magnitude is equals to 205 divided by 2. So better magnitude means x square plus y square. Agree or not? Which is equals to 205 divided by 2. Now beta, we need to find out the two possible values of m. We need to find out the two possible values of what? M. That this is the magnitude they are talking about. So beta, first of all, we need to taking square on both sides. Let me erase that square root. Taking square on both sides. Square root cancel. 81 m square plus 1600 m square is equals to 205 square is how much beta? 205 square.
42,025.
चलो अभी मत लो स्क्वायर फिर छोड़ दो. It would be 1681 m square is equals to 205 divided by 2 whole square. Taking square root करें आप both sides पे. देखिए 1681 is the square root of which number? 1681
41.
is okay, so that would be 41 m is
41.
equals to 205 divided by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? Square root cancel, right? Right, everybody? But now the problem is that we will have two answers. So let me write here 41 m is equals to plus 205 divided by 2 and 41 m is equals to minus 205 divided by 2. So 2 will 41 will go there. So m is equals to 205 divided by 2 multiplied by 41 and m is equals to minus 205 divided by 2 into 41. But what is the answer for m1 and m2? जी
5/2.
क्या चीज आ रहा है
5/2.
ओके दूसरा
Minus 5/2.
okay three answers 3 marks for this question. Okay, again a parallelogram. So parallelogram is very important in vectors. We are seeing parallelogram again and again. Everybody, I'm reading this question. Please pay attention. It's a parallelogram. O to A is small a and O to C is small c. So that is also small c then. Okay. P is a point on CB such that C to P is 3 parts and P to B is 1. So that is 3 parts and that is 1 part. So that is 1/4 and that is 3/4. Just keep this thing in mind. A to C. So beta A to C would be A to O plus O to C. Beta A to O would be negative A. I'm going against the direction. And O to C is plus C. Then they say that CP. Okay. So CP is 3/4. CP is 3/4 of what? 3/4 of OA. Yes or no? It's a parallelogram. Yes or no, everybody, or not? So 3/4 of OA means 3/4A. अब्दुलरहमान समझ आइए बेटा कि नहीं अब्दुलरहमान मुनीब
जी सर
बेटा वो कह रहा है सीपी फाइंड करो हमें ये पता है कि सीपी 3/4 है लेकिन 3/4 है ना ओ ए का एग्री क्योंकि पैरेललोग्राम है ना फाइंड O to P okay so beta O to P would be something like this okay so OP vector would be anyone कौन बताएगा रास्ता O to P का anyone what is the way of OP
O to C and then C to P.
okay O to C then C to B Sarish we have another way as well लेकिन वो difficult हो जाएगा ठीक है तो सीधा रास्ता लिया करें
सही है सर.
O to C is small c and C to P is 3/4A that is the answer तो 1 मार्क के 3 सवाल खत्म हो गए अब देखिए इन्होंने दोबारा ये क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है ये अभी हमने किया भी है O to P and AB are extended and meet at Q O to P and AB are extended O to P and AB are extended O to P and AB are extended so they meet at point G यहाँ पे Q बनाया है इन्होंने so Arsh can I say that these two are the similar triangles Alina, can I say that these two are similar triangles?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me draw this shape in order to understand this question very well. Okay, let me give the name BQP. BQPOC. Okay, Arena, it was given that C to P is 3 and PB is 1. So if this is 3 by 4 and this is 1 out of 4, so then can I say that B to Q is 1, B to Q is also 1 by 4, and O to C is also triple 3 by 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बेटा ये एक चीज जरा गौर करें, वो कहता है फाइंड अ पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ क्यू. सो रहमान बेटा, मुझे पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ क्यू मतलब ये पूरा चाहिए. एग्री?
जी सर.
बेटा मेरे पास ओ टू पी तो मौजूद है ना, मैं मुझे सिर्फ और सिर्फ फाइंड आउट करना है
P to Q.
पी क्यू. मुझे क्या फाइंड आउट करना है?
P to Q.
मुझे पी टू क्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. आई हैव द रेशो, मेरे पास रेशो मौजूद है इस ट्रायंगल की, तो मेरे लिए आसान गेम है. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
तो बेटा ओ पी ऑलरेडी हमारे पास मौजूद है. ओ टू पी इज सी प्लस 3/4, सी प्लस 3/4 a. So let's find out PQ. So beta, I know that PQ is 1/3, agree? And OP is 2/3. And Hamad, beta, I know that OP की value क्या है? OP value is C plus 3/4a. Let's find out PQ cross multiplication. So PQ multiplied by 2/3 is equals to 1 out of 3. Rahman, अब तो रहमान आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Multiply by C plus 3/4a. 2/3 will go there and flipped. So PQ is equals to 1/3 multiplied by C plus 3/4a multiplied by 3/2. I can cancel 3 and 3. So it means that 1/2 multiplied inside. So PQ is equals to what? It would be C by 2 plus 3, 4 2s are 8, 3/8a. That was be the answer for PQ. So position vector of OQ would be O to C plus, sorry, O to P plus P to Q. O to P plus P to Q. Beta O to P is in the question C plus 3/4. C plus 3/4a. And P to Q is what? It is C by 2 plus 3/8a. So that is 1. 1 plus 1/2 would be 3/2. So that would be 3/2c plus 3/4 plus 3/8 is how much, beta? Do in the rough working, tell me. 3/4 plus 3/8 is how much? G. 3/2,
9
3/4. जी
9/8 बनेगा.
बेटा आप रटे मार रहे हो, आपको कैलकुलेटर, मैं वो इसीलिए कह रहा हूँ कि कर रहे हो ना कैलकुलेटर पे.
जी सर.
इतना अलाउ करने के बाद भी तुम मुझे कहो कि सर ये बनेगा, तो फिर क्या फायदा मैं खुद ही कर लूँ.
तो 9/8 है.
कितना आ रहा है?
सर जी
9/8.
मानते हैं नहीं मानते?
नहीं, मैं नहीं
रटे
मानता. 9/8. ठीक है जी. जी एनी प्रॉब्लम? अमार, रहमान, सरिश, मुनीब.
No, sir. No
जी
problem.
सर.
ओके, देखें जी बेटा, इट्स अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. सो देयर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इट आल्सो हैज वेक्टर्स. So please be careful while this. So we know that we have 4 types of transformation. So let me write the names here. First one is translation, and translation means sliding. Second one is reflection. Third one is rotation. And the last one is enlargement. Enlargement means zoom in, zoom out. Okay, let's proceed. Flag A, F, B, C. There are 4 flags drawn. Describe fully triangle transformation that max flag F onto flag A. So F onto A. Better look at flag F. This is flag F. and this is flag A. So don't you think that this is enlarged? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So F to A is enlargement. Just right here, enlargement get 1 mark from the examiner.
सर इसमें वो
Okay.
सेंटर कैसे ढूंढते हैं?
अब आगे ना जाओ नंबर से.
वो आर्क वाला सर जी.
Okay. Scale factor कितना है बेटा? This is one box. This is 1, 2, 3. So it is triple. Scale factor is 3. Let's find out the center of enlargement. So let me join two corresponding point. This is the corresponding point. This is the corresponding point. Let me join. Okay. Let me join one more point as well. This is the corresponding point and this is the corresponding point. Let me join these two as well. So with the help of ruler, I'm gonna do it because I want exact center, that where my this red line will intersect. All right. Revan, can you see that I got the center here?
Yes, sir.
That this is my center of enlargement, -5 and +1. So join two corresponding images points. So -5 and +1, 5 and +1. Flag F onto flag B. So that's the reason I'm erasing everything now. I don't need anything here now. Now flag F onto flag B,
Rotation.
flag F and onto flag B. So it's a flag F onto flag B. It's a rotation. Agree?
Yes, sir.
It's a rotation and it's a 90 degrees as well. We can see that already. And this
Anti-clockwise.
is anti-clockwise and the center is origin. So rotation 90 degrees, anti-clockwise, center, origin.
सर ये
Okay,
सेंटर
और
कैसे ढूंढे आपने?
बेटा 90 डिग्रीज का एंगल बनाया ना नियर बाय, तो नियर बाय ओरिजिन ही था ना.
ओके सर.
तो आपको पता है कि 90 डिग्री इज व्हाट 90 डिग्री इज एल. ठीक है,
यस सर.
तो वो एल ही मैंने बनाया ना.
यस.
ठीक है. ओके, और आपको पता है कि इसकी एक टेक्निक भी होती है सेंटर निकालने की. टू परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स. फ्लैग एफ ऑन टू सी. So flag F on to C is reflection. Agree or not? F on to C is reflection. This is one. This is one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the mirror line. Yes or no? Mirror line. Y is equals to -2. So reflection at Y is equals to -2. Reflection at Y equals -2. On the grid, draw the image of flag F after the translation 3 right and 4 down. So 3 right and 4 down. So let's do it. Everybody, please pay attention. 3 towards right and how much down? It is 4 down. So everybody, if you remember that I translated which point, but I translated this corner of the flag. So this flag will look like this. Yes or no? Yes or no, everybody? Okay. This is the translated image. So that's the answer for this question. So C 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10 marks. Three triangles are drawn. A on to B. Beta A on to B is what? First of all, we need to decide that this is reflection or rotation. Okay. So first of all, let me connect the corresponding points. Everybody, please pay attention if you are confused between A and B. So better join all the corresponding points. If they intersect, it is rot rotation. Now check. Better please pay attention. Okay. Okay, it's a intersection, and we can see that it is rotation 180 degrees. We don't write clockwise, anti-clockwise because clockwise, anti-clockwise, it's the same thing. Center is origin. Center is origin because it is intersecting. right? बेटा 90 degrees के लिए 90 degrees के लिए we draw L and 180 degrees के लिए to find out the center we find out intersection. A onto C is what? It is enlargement. A onto C is enlargement. Now A is zooming in. मतलब इसको इसका zoom in किया गया है इसको A को. So मतलब it is reduced in size. A onto C would be this is 4 and that is 2. So that is half scale factor. Scale factor is half. Understood everybody? Manif? And let's find out the center. Center of enlargement. So Reman, you asked this question later earlier that how to find out the center. But at these two are the corresponding point. Let me join. Done. And these two are also the corresponding. Let me join. Can you see the center?
Yes, sir.
-1 +1 is the center. -1 +1. Reflect triangle A in the line y is equals to 0. Okay. So beta y is equals to 0 is x-axis. Agree? So that is mirror line. So let me draw this triangle A reflected image. So that is 2 boxes and 4 boxes to the down. So that would be reflected image and that would be this B part 1. Translate triangle A by the vectors 7 left and 1 up. Okay, let's do it.
How is B not reflection?
1 minute. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 towards right 1 up. पहले ये कर लेता हूँ. Translation. ठीक है. Okay, beta B is not a reflection. Why? Because when I joined the line earlier in the question, you
It
saw that
intersect.
the lines intersected at origin. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When there is a reflection, we do not have any lines of intersection. Got it?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो ये तुम्हारी खातिर देखो ये we do have a reflection here A and B. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
बेटा देखो this is straight, this is also straight and the third one is also straight. No intersection. Agree?
Yes, sir.
तो अगर ये rotation होता तो ये cross intersect हो जाते.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody, please pay attention and tell me, answer me from now onwards. ठीक है? Okay. Alina, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read part A.
On the grid, draw the image of triangle A after a translation by the vector -4 and 5.
Okay, so -4 and 5 means 4 towards left and 5 up. So let's do it. So triangle A. So it is 4 left and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. So that is the position that I've created. I translated this point. So 2 boxes to the down. Okay, and 1 box here. So this will be the image. Yes or no, everybody, or not? This would be part A. Agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Any problem? Any problem
No,
so
sir.
far? Sarish समझ आती है बेटा आपको ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A reflection in the line x is equals to 1. Beta x is equals to 1 is this mirror line. Agree? So triangle A को reflect करना है तो 2 boxes. So this will go 2 boxes here and 1 box here. Any problem so far? And with the help of scale भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? You can see that it is it is this much boxes, that much boxes away, that much boxes away, that much boxes away. You can see that with the help of scale. Okay, so let me erase the mirror image here, mirror line here. And enlargement scale factor 2, 5 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, that is the new thing now. So center is -5 minus 2. -5 minus 2 is the center. Beta, this point is, for example, A point, this point is B point, and this point is, for example, D point. So pay attention, everybody. Beta, center to A vector is 1, 2, 3, 4 right, 1, 2, 3 up. So 4 right, 3 up. Okay, center to B. Okay, center to B would be 1, 2, 3, 4 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. 4 right, 5 up. Okay, center to D. Rahman, pay attention. Center to D. 1, 2, 3 right, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. 3 right, 4 up. Okay, the scale factor is 2. So multiply every vector by 2. So that would be 8 and 6. That would be 8 and 10. That would be 6 and 8. Got it, everybody, or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, start your car from center for each vector. Center to A first. Center to A first. So let me take this sharer now. Center to A. Okay, center to A is 8 towards right and 6 up. So 4, 8 right and 3, 3, 6 up. Okay, that is my A point. Okay, now changing the color. Let's take blue. Center to B. 4 right and 5 up. So 4 right and 5 up. Center to B. Sorry, 8 right and 10 up. Sorry, apologies. 8 towards right. And how much up? It's
10.
10 up. Okay. So we have this one point already here. Okay. This point. This point. Okay. Now center to D. 6 right and 8 up. So 6 right will be here. And 8 up would be 2 and plus 4, 6 up. 6 right and 8 up. So 8 up, sorry. That is 8 up. So, beta, can you see that? Okay, that this shape is enlarged, doubled. Agree? Yes or no, beta? Any problem? Any problem? Beta, any problem so far in this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Describe fully single transformation that maps A onto B. A onto B is rotation. And why rotation? Straight away बेटा नजर आ रहा है कि ये rotate हुआ है ये shape और 3 marks भी हैं. Rotation के 3 marks होते हैं. It is 90 degrees because vertical horizontal बना हुआ है 90 degrees. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? A onto B is clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
90 degrees anti-clockwise center. We need to find out the center now. हमें center को find out करना है anti-clockwise rotation करके, ठीक है? Okay. L बनाना है, right? Right, Abdul Rahman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So beta, now for example, if I try to draw L, so that would be my A prime. So let's draw A prime with the L so that we can have, or you know this, that this is your D prime after rotation. So let's start with the D. Beta, is this angle 90 degrees?
Yes.
And are these two lengths equal?
Yes.
Yes. So minus 3, X is minus 3 and Y is 0. That is the center. Easy, Alina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Shape other than triangle. Okay. On the grid, draw the image of shape A after enlargement, scale factor 2 and center is 0, 1. So 0, 1 is the center. Okay. So scale factor 2. So let me take only one point and I will enlarge the shape because the center is positive. Okay. Alina, that is the shortcut now. Center to A. So center to A is one left only. Yes or no? Yes or no? One left and no up and down. So double. So double it. That would be minus 2, 0. Okay. Minus 2, 0. So center to minus 2. So that would be my A prime. Okay. Now distance from this point is 1 box. So that would be 2 boxes. Agree? This is 3 box. So that would be 6 boxes. This is 2 box and that would be 4 boxes. Let me join this shape. रहमान देखा है enlarge हो गई है. हमने सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट ट्रांसलेट किया और शेप बना दी है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
अगर स्केल फैक्टर नेगेटिव में हो या हाफ हो तो फिर आपने सारे पॉइंट्स का बनाना है. ठीक है? ताकि
Okay.
गलती ना हो. ठीक है? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is the shape. Shape A after the reflection in the line y is equals to x minus 1. So let's draw the line first. Y is equals to x minus 1. So y is equals to x minus 1 is the equation of line. I need 2 points. So let me put x is equals to 0. So y is minus 1. Let me put y is equals to 0. Or x is equals to 1. So 1 minus 1 would be 0. So 0 minus 1 and 1 0. 0 minus 1 and 1 0. So that is the equation of line. So let me draw this line first. Got it, everybody? So let me reflect this shape now. Pay attention, everybody. That is important. Okay, let's see. 1 half. So half and 1. So this will be my this point. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will be my this point. Okay. Let's do it. 1, 2, this much. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree, everybody? So let me draw these two lines first. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that would be that this length will go where? This length will go approximately here. Agree or not?
Yes.
Okay. Is this the correct reflection or not?
Yes, sir.
Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then they say that describe fully single transformation that maps A onto B. Okay, A onto B. Let me erase everything except for the shapes. Okay, A onto B is what, beta? 3 marks. Rotation. 90 degrees or 180 degrees? 90 degrees. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Anti-clockwise. Okay, let's check the origin. L. Yeah, it's fine. Origin is the center. Center is origin or 0 0. Got it? Got it, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Any problems so far?
No, sir.
Okay, last question for today. Again, a parallelogram. Sorry, it's a trapezium. OABC is a trapezium and O is the origin and M is the midpoint. Okay. OA is given, O to C is given, and O to A is a double of CB. So can I say that this is half P? Haji? Find the position vector of M. So we need to find our position vector of M. So position vector of M means O to M. For that, I need BM. So let's find out BA first. BA first. Or AB. That is your choice. AB निकाल लेते हैं सरिश. A to B vector है बेटा A to O plus O to C plus C to B. A to O is minus P. O to C is plus Q and C to B is half of P. So beta minus P plus 1 by 2 P plus Q. So minus 1 plus 1 by 2 ये क्या आता है? Denominator same करो.
-1
Denominator
by 2.
same. So 2 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1. So that would be minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 P plus Q. Now A to B I got it. I need to divide it by 2. So AM would be minus 1 by 2 P plus Q whole divided by 2. So divide by 2 means 1 by 2 multiply by 2P plus Q multiply by 1 by 2. So multiply by 1 by 2 inside. So that would be minus 1 by 4 P plus Q by 2. Okay, position vector of OM. So OM, position vector of M means OM. OM is what? OM is O to A plus A to M. We have AM already. O to A is plus P and A to M is minus 1 by 4P plus Q by 2. Denominator same करें. It's 1. So
3
4
by
ones are
4.
4. So 4P minus 1P plus Q by 2. So 3 by 4P plus Q by 2 is the answer. 3 by 4P plus Q by 2 is the answer. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
चलें जी, ये वर्कशीट में दोबारा भेज देता हूँ, ठीक है, ताकि आप लोग जो हैं इसको खुद प्रैक्टिस करें।